This is the Bardot 7-in-1 crochet headband pattern. You can find the link in the video description to download the pattern to make all 7 of these headbands. You're going to need a little bit of DK weight yarn, a size E4 or 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and a simple hair elastic for each of your headbands. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this one. Let's get started. The headband begins by slip stitching right onto the headband. Then row 1 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and then we're going to work a double crochet around the hair elastic. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the elastic, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's a double crochet that we worked around the hair elastic. You want to do that 13 more times, so we have a total of 15 double crochets for row 1. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 1. You should have 15 double crochets. Row 2 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then we'll turn our work. Then single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet is insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Chain 2. Skip 2 stitches in the next stitch, work double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and single crochet in the next stitch. Our repeat for this row is chain 2, skip 2 stitches, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next. You want to repeat this all the way across. Then double crochet in the last stitch. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 2. Row 3 begins with a chain 4, which counts as a treble crochet. Turn your work. In the next stitch, work a treble crochet. Treble crochet is yarn over twice, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's a treble crochet. We're going to skip the next chain 2 space and the next double. In the chain 2 space inside that V stitch, we're going to work a 2 double crochet cluster. That's yarn over your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. While you still have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. You now have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. That's a 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 2 and work another 2 double crochet cluster in that same space. Then chain 2 and work another 2 double crochet cluster in that same space. Chain 1, skip the next chain 2, single, chain 2, and double, and then in that next chain 2 space, work a 2 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 2 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 2 double crochet cluster. Then skip the next double, skip the next chain 2 space, work a treble crochet in the next single crochet, and a treble crochet in the last double crochet. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 3. Row 4 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Turn your work, work a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 1, 1 double crochet into each of the last 2 treble crochets. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 4. Row 5 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Turn your work, 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. And for this row, you're going to work 1 double crochet in each chain 1 space and 1 double crochet in each double crochet all the way across. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 5. You should be back to your original 15 double crochets. You want to repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the stitch pattern, and you want to continue to do that until you've reached your desired length, which will be a couple inches shorter than you actually want your headband, because the whole beauty of this project is to wear the headband where the elastic is required to stretch a little bit. That's what gives you the custom snug fit. I crocheted 1 more repeat, but you'll want to continue crocheting this repeat until you get your desired length. Then to do your last row, which is the one that joins the headband to the opposite end of the elastic, you're going to fold your crochet in half, chain 1, and then working through both thicknesses, insert your hook into the next stitch and into the elastic to work a single crochet through both thicknesses. And you want to repeat this in each stitch across so that you're combining a row of single crochet in that last row of stitches while wrapping your work around the elastic at the same time. Then you'll want to fasten off your work, weave in your loose ends, and you'll have that stretchy crochet headband. Let me show you the finished one. And here's the finished headband. So we repeated rows 2 through 5 for the length that we needed, crocheted it onto both sides of the elastic, and now we have a custom fit headband. Follow the link in the video description to download the pattern that includes step-by-step instructions and detailed charts for not only this headband, but a total of 7 different headbands that you can make, all from the same pattern. You can find the link in the video description. If you have any questions, by all means, leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.